We're experimenting again today. Something about bananas lately. I don't know what it is, but I found these like banana chips, okay? And I've got some leftover chocolate chips. So I'm gonna do like a banana chocolate chip. And I wanna see how these rehydrate during the whole process. So that's what we're gonna make today. So I've already measured out 325 grams of warm water. We're gonna go ahead and add about 120 to 125 grams of ester here. Just scraping this real good here. All right, Esther, what do you got for us? $142. Whoa. Whoa. I don't want to leave that. That's like a lot. 326. That's what we're going to do. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and mix this all up good. Oh, I just got this vibe I should add vanilla. Okay. I'm going to add vanilla. Where is it? Where did I put my vanilla? Okay. Tell you what I'm putting in here. I would say maybe like 12 grams. So 12 grams of vanilla I'm adding to that. Keep track because we're making this up as we go. All right, I'm gonna mix this all together and I'll be back when we're done that. Okay, I think this is as combined as we need it to be. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this down. I'm gonna add my 500 grams of bread flour, 10 grams of salt here. And I'm gonna add these banana chips right at the beginning. I don't know how these are gonna mix up. We're gonna find out. All right, let's go. I'm also gonna add the chocolate chips. This is gonna be fun. I have found with all the different things I've tried to do inclusions with, that if you add them in the initial mixing as much as possible, there's some things you can't, you get a better mix. You just do. This is aggressive. They're very chunky in there, but I have a feeling they're just gonna break up, so. I'll get back to you when we're mixed. I'd say this is about as mixed as we're gonna get it in here, which it did pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm surprised. Okay. That's what it's looking like. It actually looks pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna have to get another bowl to put this in. Got my bowl, my scraper, scale out of here. Okay. I don't have enough room. Manifesting my dream kitchen. Okay. It already smells like bananas and chocolate. Go figure. All right, I'm gonna get my hand a little bit wet. We're just gonna help it combine a little bit more. Like so. And I'm gonna leave it at that. We're gonna let it rest for an hour and then we will come back and start doing stretch and folds. It's been about an hour. Stretch and fold number 1 on our banana chocolate chip. Oh gosh, it's heavy. But it still feels good. I'm just gonna kind of tuck it underneath itself, like usual. here we are. We'll come back in a half an hour for stretch and fold number 2. Stretch and fold number 2. What's it looking like? Okay. It's feeling good though. The only thing when I put the chocolate chips in, like in the beginning, they tend to get really soft during the fermentation. Because when I put them in my oven with the light on, it creates heat in there, right? They get pretty warm. They have a nice little snuggly spot to chill out. So that's what it's looking like. We'll come back for another one in a half an hour. Stretch fold number 3. So we're looking like, all right. We are cohesive. I feel like if I put these in the stretch and folds instead of in the initial mix, they would be like not as well incorporated with the dough. Okay. Little chocolate chippies in here. That's what we're looking like. We're gonna be back in half an hour for stretch and fold number 4. Stretch and fold number 4. Sorry for the background noise, which just stopped. I got my dishwasher going here, but that's what our banana chip dough is looking like. See how it's starting to melt? Whatever. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. It feels good though. I kind of want to like get all that chocolate that's on the side. Ew. Okay. We're just gonna. That's what it's looking like. We're gonna let it sit till it doubles in size, usually 2 to 3 hours, and we'll be back to shape. It's been 2 hours and she's ready to go. All right. This is our banana chocolate chip and she's like coming right up. So we'll get some flour going here and I'm gonna cold proof this still. I'm not going to bake it right away. I'm putting lots of flour just because with sugar. Okay. All right, here she is. Ooh, sticky. Okay, I'm gonna do one this way, one this way. There's chocolate on the outside, so unfortunately I can't do anything about that. Oh my God, she's oozing. Pinch them sides together as best you can. There's chocolate coming out the bottom. Can't do too much because I don't want to pop it open. It's weak where the chocolate was. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. Don't overdo it. Lots of flour on it to go down in the banneton. Extra, just for good measure. Okay, yeah, because like this is what the bottom looks like. So I'm gonna let this sit. I hope I remember to stitch it in 20 minutes, but hey, even when I forget, it works out. So I'll see you back when I'm ready to bake. It's been about 2.5 hours cold proofing. We're gonna have a look at our banana chip loaf. And no, I didn't stitch it because it's me. All right, lid off, hold on. Lid off. Rice in. And I'm just gonna, should be good enough. All right. Banana chip. upside down. Here we go. That extra flour I put on there. Doesn't want to cut through the banana. All right, nice big pocket here. Do a little markings. Beautiful little wheat stock here. And I can't, let's see if I can cut through it a little bit more. Nope. So we'll see how that expands on its own. I'm gonna put it in 425 for about 22 to 25 minutes. I'm probably gonna do 25 minutes on this one, and I'll see you guys at that point. We are at the 22-minute mark. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, probably 25 minutes when we're with the lid off, but we'll see. It has been 25 minutes, okay? This is the first chocolate, like loaf, anything with sugar in it that I've not had anything burn out and like spill out and burn. Okay. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, we're a little bit flour heavy on this side because it was leaking and I wanted to like have it absorb it. It worked. Let's look at the bottom. Oh wow, so pretty. There's the bottom. That's just chocolate. It smells good. But yeah, it's perfect. We're gonna let it cool down and then we'll cut into it and let Adam do a taste test. I'm so excited. All right, y'all, got this in right before bed. Once again, banana chocolate chip. It looks so good. Got Adam here to try it out. Okay, that looks cool. It's swirly, yeah. It smells good. It's holding together really well. This is good loaf. Again, that's what the inside looks like. You know, it's an inclusion loaf. It's an inclusion loaf, and it did that. All right. Here's our slice. Is that a banana chip that fell out? I want you to make sure you have banana pieces in it. Yeah, I bet you there is bananas in that. What's the crunch of the banana like? Because remember, they're banana chips.
Interesting.
That's what I was thinking. That's why it's an experiment. Should the folks at home try banana chips?
I didn't rehydrate it.
No, I noticed that. Like, they were still crispy. They're softer than what they were when I put them in there. I know that much. What?
No.
You don't like it? And maybe instead of banana chips, just, you could use banana chunks, like fresh, or you could do even dehydrated, because all the dehydrated stuff I use rehydrates, and maybe the chips are like baked past a point where you can't like rehydrate them. I don't know, but the flavor's good and the density's good, but the texture of the banana is weird.
There you go.
It looks beautiful. Don't try chips at home unless you want that crunch factor. Then go for it, because the flavor's there. So yeah. We'll have another banana experiment in a couple days, I'm sure. I have some bananas that I need to use up. So yeah, this was fun. Looks good. I wish you could smell it. It smells really, really good. Yeah. All right. We'll see you guys on the next one.